Model, 2021 Plate Peugeot Boxer Professional L3H2 2.2 BLUEHDI None Runner Euro 6 No VAT. Body, white, fridge. Mileage, 192096. Engine, 2179 CCDW12 BLUEHDI 140. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: Enginge does not start, camshafts, injector and few other parts been removed from engine. Parts are in the back of the van. Engine needs repairing. We suspect this has had some kind of cam belt failure and 100% sure grin. Engine is not seized. When you crank it spins. Condition summary: bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features: 0